They said it couldn't be done. They said time travel was just science fiction. But tonight, I'm going to prove them wrong.
Bernardo, a curious 12-year-old student, dreams of becoming a journalist. But not just any journalist. He wants to cover the French Revolution itself.
They say history is written by the victors. But what if they got the country wrong?
Determined to chase this impossible dream, Bernardo sneaks into his school's laboratory late at night. He slips past the watchful eyes of the security guard and sets his sights on an ordinary microwave. To everyone else, it's just a kitchen appliance. But to Bernardo, it's the key to time travel.
Big risks for big stories. Coverage starts now.
But something went terribly wrong. Instead of arriving in revolutionary France, Bernardo finds himself in medieval Rome, a city alive with chaos, where hunger has sparked a rebellion even stranger than the French Revolution.
We are starving! Your master steals our bread!
We live.
Square!
Medieval? No bread.
No bread!
The tension is palpable.
For our audience, what is your feeling?
We want bread! There is no bread! Not even cake! Not even cake!
Strong words. A humanitarian crisis unfolds.
Here, the people rise up, not against kings or nobles, but against towering monuments of pizza.
The Baron spends gold on that useless tower while we starve!
Get the tower! Get the tower!
Leaning towers built to lure tourists while the citizens starve.
I think we should go.
This is television gold. The juxtaposition. The inequality.
At first, Bernardo is thrilled. His microwave has truly carried him into the past.
Incredible popular rage overflows. A historic moment.
They're pushing the tower! Bernardo, get out of there!
This wasn't in the script.
Keep shooting! To the man!
Okay, how are we getting out of here?
Does that make bread? Make bread.
Did we get the shot of the collapse?
We are live.
It was no accident that Bernardo's microwave disappeared. In a narrow alley of medieval Rome, a starving, skeletal old man stumbles upon the strange device. To him, it looks like treasure, something powerful, something otherworldly. With brutal effort, he drags the heavy machine back to his home. And trembling with hunger and curiosity, he tries to open it. But this is no ordinary microwave. It is alive. It has a mission to fulfill.
Passengers bound for Rome now, kindly take your places in the microwave. Bon voyage. Attention passengers, those traveling to New York, please take your seats in the microwave. We wish you a pleasant journey.